Hi guys, Scrappy wants to say hi too. Can you say hello? This is my sister's dog, but I mean, he's with me like 24/7 and I'm about to move out and it's so sad. It's so sad. So if you guys are new here, I don't always sound like this. I'm not sure how bad I sound. I did have a sinus infection that turned into an ear infection and I'm going back to the doctor tomorrow because I'm still not feeling better. I'm putting on like a lot of energy for the camera, but I am dying. I have slept all day and I'm ready for bed again tonight. We're not feeling this, so I think I need to go get a shot. I'm on my second round of antibiotics. I'm breaking out because of it. It's like messing with my hormones. So the first things I'm going to show you guys are from the app Wish. I've gotten a few other things, but they're for my camera, and I haven't tested a lot of them yet, and I want to test them before I review them and let you guys know how they work. So that'll be like a whole nother video, because there's a lot of things I've gotten for my camera. So these are just a few little things that have come in I thought I'd add. So the first thing I want to show you guys are these earrings that I have in my ears. So these are actually for the tragus. I had my tragus pierced. I let it close. That's a whole another thing. It wasn't a bad piercing. It was kind of my fault. So I got blue and the clear color. So the top here unscrews the little diamond. This is the blue one. And then the back just looks like this. So these are a little bit thicker than regular earrings. But since it was on my lobe, it wasn't a big deal. But I like these because I don't have to worry about the backs falling off or the front because they're screwed on. And they're more comfortable to sleep in. The second thing I got was from me and my boyfriend Ty, and I ordered them really late at night, so I accidentally got the wrong initial on mine, but it's not a big deal. I might have been doing our last names. I'll get to that. So first of all, they're just these keychains, and they're like, oops, the two halves of the heart, and they have a heart right here, and then his last name is Richmond, so mine's going to have a little R, and then my name's Maddie Moore, so he's going to have an M. And this is the best part. And these are honestly like really good quality. I wasn't sure if they'd be like plastic. They're metal. They're thin metal, but they're not plastic because I thought they might be. So I sent these to Ty as a joke, and he was like, no, you should actually get them. So I'm not going to read out what they say, but you guys can, or should I just say it? They read out best fucking bitches. And he was like, no, you should totally get that. Like, that's hilarious. So now we have best fucking bitches keychains. So these next two items I did get for my hedgehog. I have more coming in the mail from Wish, but I kind of wanted to like show them. And when I get him and I'm showing like more stuff about him, I'm gonna show these items. But I got these two things. So this came in today, and it's just like a camo like cuddle thing. The fur on the inside is so soft. And it's a really good size. These on Etsy can get so expensive. I think this was like $4 on Wish. And also Petco and PetSmart can be so expensive. Even Amazon with these things like this. There is some fur or some, what is this? Cloth on the inside. That's camo that I'm probably going to trim just so it's not like poking him or anything. I mean, it's not rough, but it's really thick. Hedgehogs do like to be warm, so he can go in there and just be so warm. And this will be nice when we travel with him, like take him back home and stuff, just so he can be so warm. And then it's camo, so I just thought that was so cute because he's a boy. I don't know. And it came with the right color because, you know, sometimes that's a gamble on Wish. And it's shedding a little bit of the brown fuzzies, so we'll see how this holds up in the wash. But I don't think it was a bad price. So next thing I got, the sizing was a little bit crazy with these. It seemed like some of them ran really small and some of them ran really big, and I would rather have a big one than one that's too small. So this is just a pet carrier. It's just plush and it's blue. Scrappy's playing back there. And it has a little C hole, but this is very big for a hedgehog. It's like the size of my head. But I want to be able to put like a blanket in here for him and stuff, so he'll be able to be more at the top, and then he can also burrow down if he wants to, and he'll be able to breathe. This is not the best quality. Like, I'm scared to wash it for sure. Like the inside, it just looks like more glue than stitching. And I'll have to make sure he doesn't like eat this and stuff. It's not awful, and it was really cheap. Okay, so the rest of this haul is going to be from Ross. I was originally just going to haul this, but thought I'd show you guys my Wish haul. So yeah, let's get into this. So the first thing I want to show you guys, I actually want to try. So this is hemp hydrate. It's infused with hemp extract, and it's got like it's pH neutral, microbiome superfood, purified water by reverse osmosis. It's what I actually have in my house. It's pet friendly. It's best served cold. You're supposed to drink after 7 days of opening. It's 100% hemp based plant. So I thought I'd get this. It was $3.29, but it says it compares to $5. I did dent it. It was not dented, but I want to try this just to see if it'll taste different. I can't really taste right now, but okay. So it doesn't smell like anything. And it doesn't taste like anything. I mean, it's like good water though. Like if you're a water drinker, like you know there's like good water. I mean, it's very like clean tasting, I guess. Like it's not, like there's no taste. It's crazy. I kind of like this. So let's get into this little bag. Actually, I'm going to show you guys the sheets first. So Ty and I are moving into our apartment. And I kind of wanted to haul stuff as we got it. But the thing is, that's not really going to work. We got a lot of stuff used on the Facebook free and for sale. Obviously, I want to do like an apartment tour. And we're also just bringing a lot of stuff that we already both have. Because it's our first apartment, you know. So it's not going to be super bougie or anything, but it's going to be nice. And so we're going to call home. I don't know what I keep doing with my hair. It's crazy. So yeah, I just went and I was looking at some stuff, and there was some stuff I wanted to get, but we have not like done an official walkthrough of an apartment, and we won't see it until move-in day actually. We know it's going to be nice. They're like completely renovating it before we move in. Not because we asked, it's just like they needed to do that unit still. But as for like the dimensions of the bathroom and stuff, like I don't know if we want 2 small rugs or a long one and a small one, like that kind of thing. So that just makes it a little bit more challenging. So we want to like get our basic shit in and then go shopping for things that we're going to need. We will have to go out like move-in day and get things like a shower curtain and shower curtain rods and a kitchen trash can. Like we're leaving a lot of that stuff for move-in day, if that makes sense, like after we're all moved in. But I decided to get some sheets tonight because sheets can be really expensive, and Ross had a really good deal on them. So I'll just show you guys the ones I got, I guess. Our comforter's gray, and then I got gray sheets, which I know is like gray on gray, but like you don't really see sheets unless your bed is unmade. And Ty wanted black sheets, but those will like show everything. And then no, I almost got orange ones because my favorite color is orange. They're like burnt orange, but I was like, and then they have these really cute floral ones. I just went with gray. We're gonna have like cutesy pillowcases. I have some cute pillowcases, and then we have a ton of throw blankets we can like spruce up the bed with. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys these sheets that I got. So these ones, there were so many great pairs though. That was nice. These are the Perry Ellis America. And it's a 6-piece sheet set, meaning it has 4 pillowcases instead of just 2. So that's nice. They're just a gray color. These were $16.99. So that's not bad for sheets, and I like felt them. Because you don't want really cheap sheets, you know? You don't want them to feel super cheap. These feel nice. They are 100% polyester microfiber, which is like really nice feeling sheets. And they're normally pretty cheap. So I got these. And then I just got, these are actually Juicy Couture, and I love that. These were $17.99, and I don't know why it shows that. That's not what this is. They're gray sheets, but the front is like that. I guess they're like trying to advertise that they have a whole line, but this again has the 4 pillowcases and the flat sheet and the fitted sheet. I have a ton of sheets for my full-size bed, but we are getting a queen, so we need sheets. And we wanted these so that way we're not like going out shopping tired and then having to come home and make our bed, because that just, it sucks. So I just got these. I was on the phone with Ty when I got them, but these also I felt, and they felt really nice. I really like these ones. These are 100% polyester. So yeah, I got these as well. And then I got some other little goodies I'm going to show you guys, of course. So the first thing I got are these 2 bralettes. There were 4 that were like super cheap like these, but they were extra larges, so they didn't fit me. So this one is a medium, and it was $2.99 for this bralette. It was normally $32. Are you kidding me? It's from the Maiden Form. Isn't it like a Target brand? I could be completely wrong. So it just looks like this. It's not showing up very well on camera. It's like a dark maroon red. It like looks really bad on camera. I don't know. It's like darker red than it's showing up. But this one I really like. It's a medium, like I said, and it was $2.99. So I was there for that. And the straps are adjustable. Like, it's cute. I love this. Bralettes, for me, the biggest issue is when they aren't adjustable and they're like around the neck, is the neck part will be too long. That was the issues on the other two. But this one was $1.99, and this one was also originally $32, and this one's a large, and it does have the halter. So even though the extra large fit me better in the boobage area, this one fit me better that way. Also, this one is like a little snug, but it's not too bad. Like, it's comfortable. You know what I mean? Like, they're bralettes. But yeah, this one was $1.99. That's insane. And it just looks like this. These don't have any padding, and I don't think they have anywhere to add padding in. No. But the back is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like the little lace. And these are just good. I like to have these just to throw on under like loose things, like cute shirts that you don't want like bra straps in, or maybe you want like a cute bralette showing through or peeking like through the back. Like, you know, I don't know. I love bralettes. So this was actually in one of those boxes, and I guess they really didn't want people to mess with it, which like I can appreciate. So this is the Yes to Cotton. I love the Yes to whatever brand, but they can be so expensive even in like Walmart. But this is a comforting facial moisturizer, and it protects and minimizes irritation. I don't know. It was the Yes to Cotton, but it was $3.99. It was in one of those boxes. I got another Yes to thing. This is the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin, and this is the Detoxifying Charcoal DIY Powder to Clay Mask. This was $1.99. I don't know why it was on clearance. It like becomes a bowl, and like you mix your own. Hang on, if I can open this. Yeah. And it has like lines of like 1 and 2 right there, and it's got like the little spoon. And I was like, okay, why is this so cheap? So I opened it, and it's still in the little baggie. So I don't know why it was so cheap, but like it doesn't seem like super tampered with. So I was like, okay. And then the last thing I got is just this Free and Lovely by Bodycology Pear and Jasmine Foaming Body Scrub. So I needed another body scrub because mine is almost out, and I knew this wouldn't irritate my skin because I actually have this exact same lotion from Target that I got around my 19th birthday in November, and it's the exact same scent. And I was like, okay, it's meant to be. And they had some other body scrubs there, but like I opened them and looked, and it was like, I like scrubs that are like straight scrub. Like, I don't like a base, like a creamy base with like little crystals. Like, I want straight scrub, like scraping my skin off. And this has the texture of that. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it was $2.99. There was one that was already open, so I just like looked at it, and it was that texture, and I was like, this is what I want. So it's a pretty small jar, but $2.99 isn't bad. I believe it's probably $5 or $6 at Target, and I already have the lotion, so we can be smelling all good. Well, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I make YouTube videos as a hobby, and I tell you guys just all sorts of things. Sometimes we get way too personal, but it's okay. So if you guys do want to subscribe, that would be so wonderful. You can also always leave requests, questions, anything down below, or reach out to me on my Instagram, which is ThatGirlMads on YouTube. I know it's so long. I'm so sorry. I tried to find like a shorter one, but like everything's taken, you know. But yeah, I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Hopefully